Alright, just stepping outside my house. It's July 12th. Right about 9:30 at night, we just had a storm pass over the house. It's heading to the east. Just incredible lightning. And you can't even hear it. You can see the lightning, but you can't hear anything hardly. Gonna pan it to the south here. If you can look, that's the edge of the storm system. Right there it ends. Well, my lovely wife came outside to take a look. What do you think about this, Jessica? Huh. It's just wild. Yes, it is. Just right off that way. You can see the stars and everything. Alright, I don't know how long it's going to go for, but that's good enough for tonight, I think. Huh. Alright. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did.